To see is to believe. Mao kana ang sagad natong madunggan. Unless we see using our eyes, then we don't believe of his or her existence or its existence. Daw ang mata mo ay pultahan lamang sa kahibalo sa tanan. Nasayod ta nga dili lang kana ang pultahan aron kita makabaton og kahibalo. We have the other four senses, not just the sense of sight. Kay naamantay sense of touch, hearing, smell, taste. So dili gyud makaingon nga to see is to believe. Gani there are things nga naagayod sa atong katilingban nga we don't see, but they do exist. Say for example, air. We don't see air, but we do believe, of course. Alangan man, dili po ta mabuhi. We feel love, justice. Pero di kini mga realidad sa atong kalibutan nga di nato makita, but they do exist. Our gospel today, taken from John 20, chapter 20, verses 24 to 29, nagahisgot ni ini, and towards the end, that is the main point, blessed are those who don't see, yet they do believe. Katong wala nakakita, apan mituo. Niini nga atong kapanahunan karon, we are using the eyes of faith. Mituo kita nga si Jesus tinuod nga namatay ug nabanhaw. Ug ang balaang kasulatan nagahisgot niini, for us to receive favor from God, we have to believe first. Mo nang gitawag na dayon sa philosophy, faith seeking understanding. We must have faith first. Then we try to understand our faith. It's not the other way around. That we have to understand, then we believe. It has to be faith first, then seeking understanding. Kaya kung atong tan-awon diha sa mga panghitabo sa balaang kasulatan, mangutana man si Jesus, mituo ka ba nga makahimo ko niini? Do you believe that I can do this? Unsa may gusto nimong maangkon gikan kanako? So I remember the Bishop Emeritus Jose Mangiran, ang iya yung kanunay nga iya ang isangyaw nga mao diha nga si Jesus, it's not a magician. He is a miracle worker. A magician prepares everything, but a miracle worker asks, what can I do for you? What do you want me to do for you? What is your needs? So what do you need? So what are your needs? Mangutana si Jesus. A magician does not ask, kay everything is prepared. Alang nga mingon siya nga, unsa may gusto na ko himuon ning papel, nya mingon siya himuon ako ning kwarta, kay andam na niya ang kwarta daan. Di na siya mingon nga ako na himuon nga tabanog, kay wa sa kaandam og tabanog. Umingon niya ang bata, himuon ng patabanog, niya yung nag-andam kwarta. So a magician don't ask, kundi iya ang ihatag tanan. But Jesus, mostly in the sacred scripture, asked his audience, do you have faith or do you believe that I can do this? What can I do for you? What would be then the pastoral implication for us? We must have faith first. We have to believe that Jesus can do this alang kanatong tanan. Then, diha makahimo siya bilagro sa atong kinabuhi. Si Santo Tomas Apostol, in the year 52 AD, siya ang apostol nga miadto sa India, really to share their experience of the risen Lord. And we also challenged to do the same. Diya sa itong adlaw-adlaw nga pagkinabuhi, pagpaambit sa kinabuhi ni Jesus. Only we can do it if we have faith in Him. Ug mahimot ang kumbinsido if we have experience, we have this living experience with the risen Lord. But we can have that religious experience only if we have faith. So have faith first, then we try to understand. Bulahan sila nga mituo, bisan wala nakakita kanako. To say is to believe is not always be applicable. Here, we have to see, we have to use the eyes of faith. Believing in Jesus, even if we don't see Him, but we do feel His presence. Palihog sa pagtindog.